How to uninstall Valorant. So first, what you need to do is close up the Riot client right here, and close it also in the taskbar. So open up your taskbar here at the bottom right, then right click on the Riot client, click on exit. Once that's done, just search for Valorant on your Windows menu, then simply click on uninstall right here, and this will bring you to the apps section of your settings. Now find Valorant in the list right here. So Valorant is right here. So just simply click on the three dots, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, and wait for Valorant to uninstall. As you can see, the game has been successfully uninstalled. Now, exit out of this, and to double check, you just simply need to open up your files. Now go find the file or folder where Valorant is installed. So I had mine right here, and I don't see it anymore. It means that Valorant has been uninstalled. And after that, we need to click on our Windows key and the R key on your keyboard. So Windows plus R, and just type in here percentage local app data percentage. Then click on OK. Once it's done, just need to find Valorant on the list of folders right here. So these are the app data of Valorant. So we need to delete that to completely delete Valorant. So click on the Valorant folder, click on delete. Now you're good to go. And that's basically it.